Hi, my name is Zhang Junlong. My metro number is 25101. The library of UPM University was founded in 1931. July UPM 43400 Sardang, Selangor, located in the heart of UPM University. Okay, next one. The organization of the library. Senior Deputy Chief Librarian, Administrative Assistant, Assistant Registrar, Senior Assistant Engineer, Assistant Librarian, Publication Assistant, Operational Assistant, Collection Development Division, User Service Division, Senior Assistant Librarian, about 106 case staffs. Okay, next one. All visual collections are for use within the library premises only. All reference materials are for use in the library only. However, academic staff may request to borrow certain reference materials from the library at the user service division. User can borrow only one book at a time for 1 day. All audio-visual material are to be used in the library. However, academic staff can request to borrow certain materials for a specified time only. Arrangements can be made at the content of the media. This is project report can be borrowed for 2 hours and are not allowed to be taken out of the library. Photocopying is not allowed unless written permission is granted by the author. Okay, that's my part.
Hello everyone, my name is Su Yino, my metric number is 204508. So now I'm going to have a general description of our select system. The name of the system is Pedestrian Gate System of UPM Library. The functions of the system are: first, let students access into the library. Second, stop people who are not UPM students. Third, it also can record the number of the students inside the library. The last thing is it can record the book storage and borrowing information. The pedestrian gate system of UPM Library is a kind of enterprise system because it can record and collect information through QR code, then share it to the library managers, workers, and even the students, so that people can manage the library better. The end users of the gate system are mostly students from UPM. The owner of the system is UPM Library and its managers. Besides, the technical supporters of the system are software developers, programmers, and web developers. They will make sure the system is running in good situations. I think that's all from my part. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ko Qiuying. My metric number is 204805. Okay, I will introduce what are the UPM pedestrian gate system hardware. UPM library hardware components include devices that platform input interstate into computer, processing transform state into staffs and students information, data storage, keeps the data and information in a permanent strategy, output, display state and information to staffs and students. Okay, next. UPM pedestrian gate system software. System software includes operating systems, utilize and middleware coordinates the activities and functions of the hardware and the other programs throughout the computer system. Application software consists of programs that help staffs and students solve computing problems. Gate system database Malaysian agrees is a database that contains many fields like forestry, animal husbandry, food science, and environmental science, covering the program, history, education, information, development, economics, social, engineering, and other related fields. The materials indexed in this database consists of journal articles, books, book chapters, and conference papers published in Malaysia. The staff is committed towards excellence through the quality traits in library services with a continual improvement in the quality management system to fulfill customers' expectation. Gate system telecommunication networks, computer network. The communications media devices and software needed to contact two or more computer systems or devices. LAN. All network users within an UPM office building can contact to each other's devices for rapid communication. For instance, a user in research and development could send a document from her computer to be printed at a printer located in their desktop publishing center. Most computer labs employ a LAN to enable their teachers and students to share the use of high-speed or color printers and plotters, as well as to download software applications and solve flies. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Hello, doctor. My name is Zhang Buyu and my matric number is 2010504. And I'm going to present the business process of UPM library pedestrian system. And you can first see here is a value chain of UPM library, and the pedestrian gate system significantly helps UPM library in business process, supporting outbound logistics and the service process in value chain as a part of technology infrastructure. In terms of support process, pedestrian gate system is a part of technology infrastructure and helps in human resource management. Pedestrian gate system can automatically allow entry of people by push-up VID. In this case, pedestrian gate system helps saving human resources at gates. In terms of primary process, outbound logistics and the service are supported by pedestrian gate system. First, it makes sure only membership can borrow resources in outbound process. Both user service counter and the self-check machines are inside UPM library. Pedestrian system refuses entry without membership to avoid outbound process to non-memberships. Second, it also makes sure only membership can join service provided by UPM library. Reference service, literature research, and library consultation are all provided inside UPM library. Non-memberships can enjoy service because they can pass pedestrian gate system. That's all for my part. My partner will continue.
Well, I will introduce the security threats include social issues. The gate system is a system in UPM to prevent illegal aliens from entering the campus and maintain the campus security. UPM students use a kind of card, which includes students' identification and private account, to enter the library. The campus card can be used as the access control card to enter the library, which is easy to bring threats to the library management and students' personal safety. A data breach is a unintended release of sensitive data or the access of sensitive data by unauthorized individuals, often resulting in identity theft. Therefore, college students should be required to raise their awareness of prevention, and school management departments should be required to upgrade their management methods. It can be said that such a campus card is just to do the ID card or student card can only be used by myself. If I do not use the cancellation not to lend or rent to others. If criminals have a campus card, they can casually enter areas of the school. It makes campus security measures useless. Next, the solution. Implementing CIA security at the organizational level requires a risk-based security strategy with an active government process to minimize the potential impact of any security incident and to ensure business continually in the event of a cyber attack. Creating such a strategy typically begins with performing a risk assessment to identify and prioritize the threats that the organization faces. The security strategy must define a disaster recovery plan that ensures the availability of key data and information technology assets. Although the campus card is small, the rights and obligations prepare for preferential policies and campus security it carries are of great importance. Schools and students have the obligation to manage and take good care of campus cards, not to let them scattered to the society at will, become a tool of criminals to threaten campus security. Of course, the school administration should assume a higher supervisory obligation. If there are fewer students in the summer vacation, we can strengthen the inspection, check the identity of the person who swipes the card one by one, confiscate the campus card with different credentials, and deal with students with violate the rules, or require students who leave school to return their campus cards, and make detailed statistics on the whereabouts of students who stay in school so as to minimize the space for campus cards to be abused. That's all for our presentation. Thank you for watching.